Warriors! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn any video or image into an anime masterpiece using Meta AI. And it's totally free. All you have to do is open any browser and search for Meta AI, then click on the first link that shows up. Once you're on the site, log in with your email to access the features. After logging in, click on the plus icon and choose Edit the Video. Now upload the video you want to turn into anime. Once it's uploaded, you'll be taken to the editing page. Scroll down to the Styles section and you'll see options for anime styles. There are usually two, one that looks like Studio Ghibli and another called Pastel Anime. Click whichever one you like. I am going to go with anime, and the AI will start generating your anime video. It only takes a few minutes. The final result keeps the subject and details of your video, but gives it a cool anime look, though there is a small watermark at the bottom. When it's ready, just hover over the video and hit download. You can also do the same for images. Just go back, click the plus icon again, upload an image, and then click on Imagine. In the prompt, type "Convert this image to anime style" and hit Generate. After a few moments, your anime-style image will be ready to download. And that's it. Super simple. Warriors, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.